Marina.
Our solo pilots are once again inbound for a high-speed head-on pass. As they cross at show center, listen for our lead solo to call for the opposing knife edge to start the maneuver. Approaching from behind and to your left, you'll see the Thunderbird stacked up, this time in the Echelon Pass and Review.